Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and I know it's been a while. If you're new here, I'm Janae from Around the Way, and I make clean and motivational videos. So if you're interested in this type of content, please hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell, so that way you don't miss a video. And without further ado, y'all, I'm so dang on mad, I forgot to turn my mic on. But right here, we just gonna get a little scrub it up dub with a little Dawn dish detergent. See if we can knock that smell out of there, because it was a smell. Gonna find out the smell ain't even coming from the kitchen. Stick around, I'll tell y'all where it's coming from later in the video. Did all this wiping down around the microwave, on top of the microwave, and still forgot to clean out the inside of the microwave. Shaking my head. Y'all, my kids loaded the dishwasher and they was not playing. So I ended up having to wash some dishes by hand, but it's okay. I prefer to do that anyway. Type in the comments if y'all know what it is sitting by the stove. God, it is so clean in here. Then boom. Clean. Now I gotta deal with this. Yeah, I apologize for my camera being in and out of focus. As soon as I learn how to fix it, I got y'all. The video is gonna be a little better. Just bear with me. Check out my little crystal skull. I can't remember what kind of stone it was. So if you know, please drop a comment. because the video sped up. But I just folded up a pair of these ugly behind pants that my husband cannot seem to let go. Like, am I the only person that feel that way? Like, does your spouse got a pair of pants or a piece of clothing that just get on your damn nerves? Oh, Lord. Remember when I said it was a smell in the house and I couldn't figure out where it was coming from? Y'all, it was the carpet. The smell was in the freaking carpet. I don't know what it was. I don't know how. But I know that after I shampooed the carpet, I don't smell it no more. And wait till y'all see this dirty water that came out the shampoo. Then you gonna see what I'm talking about. Y'all, the diarrhea water. Ugh. We're gonna take it right where it belongs, to the damn toilet, because it smelled like it needed to be there. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Thank y'all for coming to hang out with me. And if you like what you seen here today, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Talk to y'all later. Bye.